You want to know how to fix app not installed error on Android? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So let's suppose that you have downloaded an APK file from Google Chrome, and when you try to install it, it shows the error that app not installed. So like there are like a couple of different fixes. Stay tuned with me. Okay, so the first fix is actually, you will open up these settings here, and then you will open up the apps and notifications here, and you will select the see all apps here, and search for Chrome here, and tap on this one. And then if you scroll down, you will see this option which is install unknown apps. So you will tap on this one and make sure that this option is turned on. Okay, if this is turned off, you have to like turn on this option here. Okay, and then try to reinstall your APK again. And the second method is actually, open up your apps and notifications here, and if you scroll down, you will see this option, special app access. You will tap on this one, and here you will see this option which is the install unknown apps. So make sure that then if you tap on this one and then tap on Chrome again, and make sure that from this option is also turned on. Okay, and after this one, if you go back here, see all apps, tap on these three lines at the top right, and tap on this one which is the reset app preferences. Okay, so this is the third fix. And then the fourth fix is actually, tap on see all apps, search for uh, play, search for play, and you will need to actually open up the Google Play Store, and then tap on the storage and cache, and then you have to clear the cache of your Google Play Store, and go back here and search for the play again, and tap on Google Play services, tap on storage, and then again clear the cache of this application also here. Okay, and the next fix that you can actually do here, you need to actually open up your Play Store here, and then tap on your profile image onto the top right here, and tap on the settings here, and then tap on the, okay, you need to actually tap on your profile image onto the top right, and then tap on the manage apps and devices here, and then you actually need to turn off this turn on play protect scanning. Okay, so you need to actually turn it off. You will tap on this one. Okay, and here it says turn on because mine is turned off. Okay, mine is turned off, so that's why it's showing that turn on, but you actually need to like turn it off. Okay, and the last fix is, before installing the application, make sure that there is enough space available in your internal phone storage that app can easily be installed. Okay, so you need to open up these settings here, and then you need to open up the storage option here, and here it says that I have like 4.2 GB of available space here. So make sure that there is enough storage in your phone that the application can easily be installed. So that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video here, and you can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video, you can ask from us in the comments, in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.